Okay, hello everyone. How are you all? Am I visible and audible? Just confirm me. So then we will be starting our very fresh session and PYQs of Unit 7. So, how are you all? And how's your studies going on? Have you all started preparing or like you are waiting that first the forms will be released and then you will be downloading the syllabus or searching for the syllabus and then rushing into all these things? Better to prepare early. So as you all know, my name is Krishna and I have qualified NET in marketing management, that is code 17, and I have done my masters in marketing and HR. Apart from this, I am having 3+ years of experience in educational and industrial sector. Now you will be just, if you will confirm once that I am audible and visible properly, so then I will be moving forward. Okay, and apart from this, as we all know, Lakshya batch is going on for UGC NET June 2024 and the price is 6199 for paper 1 and commerce and just 3599 for paper 1 or slash paper 2. But it will be like more beneficial for you if you will buying the combination of both papers if you belong to commerce. Otherwise, so you will be buying the paper 1 only. The validity will be the 6 months and you will be getting live classes and recordings and PDF materials, PYQs, and all the classes PDFs you will be getting in a structured format. You will be getting NTA based CBT mock test series also, and you will be getting subtopic wise quizzes also with even explanations. Okay, every if just imagine there are four objective there are four questions like four options na in one question, so you will be getting the explanation of the four options, so it will be like giving you more conceptual clarity also. And you can download the app from the Play Store. You just need to type Achievers Adda, and you can join us on Telegram for the latest updates, and you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Good evening, Babita. How are you? And today we are going to solve PYQs of December 2023 unit wise of Code 17 Marketing Management. And one more announcement I want to share is that in the previous session where like we have solved all the questions PYQs, so somehow na guys like I received the wrong answer key. So it is possible that some of the questions I have marked the wrong, and don't worry, but in the PDFs I will be getting it done, and I will be giving you the correct answers and questions only. But like I received, even when I was solving the questions na, in my mind also I was contradicting with myself that how can be this this is the answer of this question. But as you all know, NTA do sometimes some mistakes, so I thought it may be possible. But later, when I got the original answer key, then I realized that the answer key I was using was wrong. So don't worry, when I will be sharing all the PDFs, you will be getting all the question and answer correct. No, nothing fishy will be there. So I just wanted to tell you, in case if you will watch the previous session and then you will be feeling like this should not be the answer of this question. So just like move that doubt from your mind. I am telling you right now. I am also good, Babita. So Babita, just tell me your paper 2 is management only. So we will be starting with the very first question that comes from the retailing part. Very interesting topic and in short very easy topic. You just have to understand the conceptual clarity of this topic and you will be doing it right. Okay, you are from commerce. So this is our first question. A furnishing retailer company opens a new generation of furniture galleries that are part store, part interior design studio, and part restaurant. This is an example of which of the following. What is question asking to you? There is a statement given, and you just have to identify the definition of that one. So give it a try, and eventually I will be explaining it to you. So what do you think? Just comment your answer. Babita, do you know answer of this question? Very easy. Very easy answer. C. No. Put a little more effort and you will getting it. Departmental, so as you can imagine, it will be related to department. Like in the store, there will be different departments for different products. Okay, the answer is B actually. It is experiential retailing. How you experience when you like step into a store, you will be getting the experience of the things you want to purchase or you want to buy, the services you want to buy, the products you want to buy. You will get the experience of these things. That is what experiential retailing. So let's understand it in more detail. Here it is. Experiential retail or experiential commerce is a type of retail marketing whereby customers coming into a physical retail space are offered experiences beyond the traditional ones. Amenities provided may include art, live music, virtual reality, cafes and lounges, and large video display walls. Now I think you got it. That what is experiential retailing. Like, can you see this diagram? Like if you step into an store and you will see something like this, or you went to a very nice cafe and the live music is going on, and some big screens are there, and you can see different kinds of virtual realities programs there. Some art is happening, and you will be experiencing these all things, and on the basis of that only you will be deciding that whether you want to have your lunch, your dinner or your breakfast there, or you want to move to some another restaurant. Yeah. So Babita, you got it. What is it actually? So basically, what is the purpose of this retail strategy? Basically, what is the purpose behind this? Basically, to creating a memorable and engaging customer experience rather than just selling products. The idea is to provide a unique, immersive, and interactive shopping environment that encourages consumers to connect with the brand on a deeper level. So, you must have been there, na? some very like very good shop you will be you have been there and you will be telling to your friends that was a great experience, the food was amazing, music was amazing. So that is basically what experiential retailing. Like you just want that the customers on their mind will be having a memorable memory of your organization, of your institute, instead of they just say like that was so bad place. So this is the idea behind this. Like we are having one more example of Samsung. What Samsung has done in New York City for their immersive experience, they allow them to try out Samsung's latest products. The store setting is unlike traditional store. So what Samsung has did, he actually allowed his customers to use their latest products so they can experience it, and based on that they can later like take the decision whether they want to purchase this product or not. Like even you will, if you will go to like some footwear shop na, you will be first wearing your sandal or your shoes or your slipper, then you will be deciding it. So this is how it will work. Clear, Babita? Okay, now we will be doing our second question. Okay, there are some more points now in this, so I will be explaining that also, that is what is franchisee retailing, what is departmental store retailing, and what is mega retailing. So we have done with the answer purpose. Now for more and more like gaining purpose, we are doing the retail franchising is basically nothing like you have taken the franchisee of Patanjali. Like you may have seen many outlets of Patanjali where different products of Patanjali will be available, be it a biscuits, be it a lotion, be it a moisturizer, be it a shampoo, be it a paste, be it a soap, or many things, be it the different things we use in our kitchen for cooking purpose, and like this basically that is retail franchising is a business model in which an individual or business referred to as a franchisor grants a license to another individual or business referred to as a franchisee to use its trademark products, services, and brands. What you are saying? Almost everything. Yeah, Patanjali is actually in the like now right now who is leading the market. He's in everything. Samudranil Rudra, you are saying for one B, like one B is for what? This one first answer is B. Yeah, got it, got your point. Its answer is first ka B only. So then, what is departmental store, retail store? What is this? This is usually include ready-to-wear apparel and accessories for like when you go to malls, you will go to Reliance. So Reliance will be having Reliance Fresh also, Reliance Digital also, and number of things. So basically, household textiles, small household wares, furnitures, electrical appliances, and accessories, and often food also. Food also will be included there. Yeah, like you can say Reliance Retail, Reliance Trends is also there, Digital also there, Footprints also there, and Fresh is also there. Another examples you can take Amazon, and numbers of sellers are there on Amazon and on Flipkart, and they are selling their products through this website. So that is basically what retail marketing. Uh, all the points till here is clear to you, or if you have any doubt you can ask me right now. I will be clearing it on the spot, so it will be like you will be able to create it more. Don't retain your doubts in your mind, better to open up and ask it on the spot, so you will be getting the more conceptual clarity. Clear, ma'am? Okay. Next is question number 2 is what? Again from unit 7 only and from marketing part only. Actually, it's common between both commerce and management. So what is question is saying to us, creating a seamless cross-channel buying experience that integrates in-store, online and mobile shopping. So basically again definition is given, statement is given, and you just have to identify which of the following options will be matching with your definition or with your statement. Any answer, Babita or Samrudanil Rudra? Do you have any answer for this? C. Actually, it's not C. Like try a little harder, you will getting it. So from options you are saying C, or like from the choose the correct answer from the options given below you are saying C. From which one you are telling C? No, it's not A. Like the word which you do not often heard, that's its answer. In store marketing you have heard many times, direct marketing you have heard, online digital, all the common things, but its answer is actually C. Like B from the below, and C if you will select from the omni-channel retailing. So its answer is actually B. Two's answer is B, omni-channel retailing. Now, what is the meaning of omni? What is? Yes, yes, Papita, I will be explaining. Just give me 1 second. See, here is the answer. What omni means? It means all. All, and channel is a reference to the many ways customer might interact with a company. So it is omni basically means all the channels a company or an organization are approaching to reaching their potential or actual customers or clients. When you interact with your customers or whatever channels they prefer at a brick and a mortar store, like either it is a physical store or it is an online store from options below. Then though it's wrong now because it's B. Answer is B. B only na. I have wrote here wrong one. C I have written here. I will make it correct now because answer is B only. So let's take an example where here it is. Instead of only offering support on its desktop website, for example, a company would offer support like you are an software company and you deal in what? Just imagine you deal in chocolates. Okay. No, software designer company to will, okay, that will be the cross channeling. So you are in software company and you deal in AI. Okay, you offer different types of AI courses, chatbot courses, and you provide software for that on which you can work. So what your company is doing, your company is providing all in one things to them. Like if you want to call us, you can call us. If you want to chat with us, you can chat with us. If you want to send a mail to us, you can send a mail to us. If you want to do Facebook to us, you can do us Facebook to us. So what the company is doing, what the organization is doing, she's opening the company is opening all the ways, all the gates to for its customer to reach the organization. So whatever means is feasible for you now, you can go through that channel and you can speak up to the company that I'm having this issue, I'm not getting how to use this software for AI course, or I'm not getting how to use this chatbot feature in your software. So that's how it will be like making more beneficial for company, that the customers will be connect with the organization more properly and more fluently without any miscommunication gaps. So they will be getting more of the feedbacks from the customers also. Getting it or not getting it? So So actually it's a customer centric approach. Okay, what we do, we actually put our customer as a major point, that customer is our center point. Our whole organization, our whole institution, our whole company will be revolving around the customers. We will be available for the customers 24 hour into 7, and on the all the medias available on today's generation. We will be using all the platforms. Quality post sale service, yeah, actually, like as you say, after sale services, like in the case of now bikes or cars, we purchased, and after that like the companies gave us the 1 or 2 time free service care for our automobiles. In the same way, in omni marketing, we will be opening all our channels for our customers, so they can reach us at any time, at anywhere, or even if they want to meet us physically, that option will be also available from the company's side. Getting it? You can, so here it is. What is multi-channel? All channels available to the consumers but are not integrated. Means store is available to the customer, web is available, mobile is available, social media is available, and phone is available, but they are not integrated, means they are not connected. If you will be reaching your company by web or by social media, you will be reaching by one way only. But in omni channel, even if you will be approaching the company by phone only, then all the other 4 points, your mobile, your web, your store, your social media, on that also the company will be getting your queries. So it, all the tools which you will be using to connect with your company will be connected, but in multi-channel they are not connected. You will be just reaching by them one mean. Getting it? Is it clear till here, that what is multi-channel and what is omni-channel? Okay, Babita. Next is, what is direct marketing? Like you can type the definition or meaning in your layman language also. Then you will be more able to like connect to it. Like what happens in direct marketing, na? When company or organization doesn't want or do not want that any third party in their process, they will be doing the direct marketing. Like the company will be directly sending you the text messages, like you can take the example of SBI, like you are having account in different, you are having accounts in different banks, so HDFC, Axis Bank, SBI Bank, they will be directly sending you the text message without like having any third party. Mails, they will be directly sending you the mails. They will be not using any third party. And phone calls, they will be directly calling you. Direct mail, online ads, flyers. Kiosk is like the vending machines will be there. You just have to put the coin and you will be getting your product. So you doesn't need any third party to open up the gate for you, to open up the glass of that kiosk for you so that you can pick up. You just need to put the coin and the product will be getting out from that store. Door to door, personally salesman you basically use. Yes, it is actually what direct communication with the customers. And coupons, if you like, coupons you will be getting if you purchasing anything online or offline. Basically, what is the essence of this topic is basically communicating with your customers directly, and it doesn't have any third party. Hi Nagaraju, how are you? Oh, oh, I have shown you the answer actually. So it will be easy for you na? Now. Like you will be saying A. I have already shown you the answer actually. I forget to this highlight this one and somehow it got red only. It's okay, na? This is a bonus question for you, actually. Babita is smiling like, yay, I got the answer of this question. I know everything, ma'am. Ask me whatever you want to ask. I will be giving the answer of this question. Okay, okay. Chalo, let's try to solve it together. Let's not assume that we know the answer. We let go color blind. Okay, we are color blind, so we are not able to see the A. We are not actually able to see the red color. We are all color blind, so we can only see all the black things. Now Nagaraj is saying A. Vita is saying too difficult now. Yeah, too much difficult. Oh my god. Too hard question. What kind of questions auntie asked to us, na? So frustrating. Okay, okay. So, which of the following are the main issue to be tackled by the conceptual component of CRM management program? Basically, there is a, as you all know, there is a term customer relationship management program. So, basically, what are the things which the that department actually tackle from the conceptual point of view? You need to answer. Now, Bhavita is laughing like laugh out loud. Okay, okay. So, processing all customers' requests coming in through multiple channels, like, do you really think it will be the work of CRM management program? No, like it will be a work of them, but not of the conceptual team. It will be the work of the general team. Okay, second one is what? Setting out tier CRM objective in their terms. Yes, it will be their objective. What? Because they are the maintaining the conceptual components, so they will be setting out the CRM objectives. Okay, in the terms which they need to be followed. Creating a good product and mass marketing it. Oh, babe, come on, this is the work of the company. If the CRM department will be creating the good product, then what will be the plant level employees will be doing? Or like what will be they putting in the machines? Obviously, CRM program cannot produce the products and they cannot market it. Next one is creating okay, putting customers first. Yes, yes, this is the main. CRM is introduced, it is created for the customers only, as the name only suggests. It is customer relationship management program, so customer will be always our first priority. We will be keeping every in and out of our customers, that what his has or her preferences right now, what he or she will be desiring in future, and what he or she will be not desiring in future. Okay, Babita. And E is what? Segmenting the market on the basis of augmentation. Oh, come on, this will become in the what? That marketing process segmenting, STP segmenting, targeting, positioning. That will be to come in that part, not in the CRM part. So this though it was basically nothing, you just need to odd one out. Yeah, man objective is what? Setting out CRM objectives and putting customer first. So what is CRM actually? In your language, basically it is a technology for managing all your company's relationship and interaction with customers and potential customers. Whatever you are interacting with your customer or your potential customer, whatever conversation you are having with them, whatever feedbacks you are receiving, whatever purchase or post purchase feedbacks you are receiving, CRM will be keep all of them in their software. Of every single customer you will be having like full track of that customer, what has likings, what her dislikings, all the things you will be having. Okay, the goal is simple: improve business relationships. What is the goal? Basically just to improve your relationship with the customers and the profit also. A CRM system help companies stay connected to customers, streamline process and improve profitability. Any which ways, every organization working for profits only, even the non-profit organization, they also arrange their fund from the organization. The employees who work in non-profit organization, they also get their salaries, so even they are working for profits. Okay, clear. Customer relationship management refers to the principles, practices, and guidelines that an organization follows when interacting with its customer. Got it? Okay, here you can see customer care will be there, public relations will be there, communication with the customers will be there, all the database of your customer or your client will be there, loyalty points customers will be getting, acquisition you are acquiring the customers that will be their documentation, like their basic details, their phone number, their preferences, some maybe sometimes their Aadhaar card also you are having. Okay, this is very interesting question. I found this question very interesting. Just read it once. You will love this question. It's very interesting. Any answers for this? Okay, the answer for this question is actually C. So we will be solving this first. So what is conjunctive actually? Let us go through the definition, then I will be coming back to the question. Okay. C, yes, Babita, very correct. C only. So what is conjunctive? I selected the smartphone app that had no bad features. Okay. Now let's go to the explanation. Here it is. The idea that consumers establish minimum attribute levels which accepted brands must possess when about to make a purchase, they will consider only those brands that exhibit a conjunction of all the minimum requirements. Just take an example. You are going to buy a smartphone. Okay, so when you will be purchasing that smartphone, that it must have a very good camera within the excellent pixels. It should be having the RAM and ROM memory, uh, like uh, about the 64. You need at least 64. You need 64 GBs. You need that the phone will not be hanged. So this will be some of the basic features. If these features will not be available in that smartphone, then you will be not buying that smartphone. Again, go to question conjunctive. What does it means? I selected the smartphone app that had no bad features. So basically you selected that smartphone which doesn't hang, and which has the 64 GB and which have the good quality of pixels. So that is basically your conjunctive rule. Now, what is disjunctive? Basically, I picked the smartphone app that excelled in at least one attribute. Now, whenever you will be buying a smartphone, और जब पैसे होंगी या पैसे के बिना तो we cannot purchase anything. पैसा तो is like it's like na roti kapda makan and then come पैसा only. We don't need love, we don't need friends, we need पैसा. भाई पैसा दे दो. Yeah, so the second is what? Disjunctive. What does it mean? I picked the smartphone app that excelled in at least one attribute. So again, you went to the store and you opted for iPhone. Just imagine Babita just walking into the iPhone store and telling to the shopkeeper, bhaiya, pick give me the latest iPhone which has just released. I want to buy that. We got the paisa now. We are very rich. Okay, so. What Babita had said now why she is taking the iPhone and not any other Android, because that has the best quality in the phone itself. The phone is itself is the best in the world. So that is your disjunctive decision. That what was the one attribute if you want to define in iPhone? Their camera quality, very good. Okay, so that is the one attribute you will be not compromising. That's why just because of the camera of the iPhone you pick the iPhone only and not any other Android. Now what is affect referred? Basically I bought the smartphone app with the highest overall rating. Basically first I didn't explain you the disjunctive na, then you will be forget it. First let me explain it. Here it is. The disjunctive decision rule establish a minimum level of performance for each important attribute, often a fairly high level. All brands that surpass the performance level for any Q attribute are considered acceptable. Like iPhone is having the best camera, so you will be buying that only. Now, what is affect refer decision rule? A simplified decisions rule by which consumers camera and status symbol. Yes, Babita, very true. Now, what is this? A simplified decision rule by which consumers make a product choice on the basis of their previously established overall rating of the brands considered rather than on specific attributes. Okay, so basically what happened now? You went to the Zara store, and as you all know Zara has different kinds of very good kind of fragrances. Zara is having for perfumes. They are having n number of range for the perfumes and they smell very good. So previously you buy the rose flavor, or you buy the mint flavor or some to daisy flower flavor. Okay, so because previously you have bought the rose flavor of Zara, now also you will be going the buying same rose flavor of Zara. So that is what affect referral decision rule. Again go to the definition. What is affect referred? It is I bought the smartphone app with the highest overall rating. Basically you went to the Zara and you buy the rose one, and the overall rating of the Zara, that perfume is also good, and previously also you liked it, so you buy it now also. Now last one is what? Majority vote. So, what does it mean? I downloaded the smartphone app that has the most downloads. Okay, now let's go to the definition. So, very pretty picture it is here na. Five friends are there. Babita is one of them. Yeah, costly it is. So, Babita is there, and their four other friends are also there, and they went to eat ice cream in the summers. Okay, some very bad summer is going on and they want to eat the ice cream. Now what happens when you go to eat and something? Basically you will be telling your friend you will order, he will be telling you you will be order, and the whole loop will be going on. It will be like rounding in the second. You will buy, you will buy, you will be buy. Then at the end what we will be doing? Let's just vote. So the person one wants what? Softy. Person two wants what? Maybe which some let's consider it's vanilla flavor. Now third person is also want softy. Winter plus ice cream. Yeah, I too love it. Winter plus ice cream. Even in noon itself, I has the ice cream today. So third person also wants softy. Fourth person wants what? Softy. Now fifth again wants what? Vanilla flavor ice cream. So what will be the decided at the end? That we all will be eating the softy, because the majority is saying the we will be eating softy. Now again go to the definition. Here it is. I downloaded the smartphone app that had the most downloads. So same in the case of phone. I will be downloading that app only which will be having the most downloads. While uploading any app, we will be obviously seeing the ratings and reviews and downloads, how many downloads are there. So basically this was the some rules which normally clients or consumers apply when they buy something. Getting it till now? Is it clear? So then we will be moving forward. Babita, is it clear to you till now? Okay. Next question is this one. Basically coming from the positioning part. So what is question telling to us or asking to us? As per Rise and Trot, which one of the following is not a standard criteria for successful positioning? Basically, Rise and Trot has given some standard criteria for the positioning. So three of them are the part and one of them is not the part of that standard criteria positioning. So you just need to eliminate that one and you will be getting your answer. Now give your answers. I will be waiting for your answer. Now Babita is thinking, I like, oh, is it I am colorblind right now or ma'am doesn't highlighted anything? Babita is searching where is red by mistake if ma'am have put the red highlighted text. So should I reveal the answer or you are giving the answer first? Babita is laughing only. Ha ha ha. No, no, Babita, you didn't went colorblind or we are not colorblind. I didn't highlighted the text here. That was just by mistake only. Okay. So the answer for this question is D, commitment. So commitment is not the standard criteria for successful positioning given by whom? Rise and Trot. So first of all, let me tell you what is positioning. What do you think what is positioning? When you hear the word apple, not the apple which we eat, huh? The apple as in phone. We are having iPhones, we are having that apple. Or the word we hear Nike and when we hear Cadbury. So when we hear the word apple, we will think of what? iPhone. When we hear the word Nike, we will be thinking of what? Shoes. And we will be hearing the word Cadbury, what we will be thinking? Dairy milk caramel, and what? Caramel flavor, silk flavor, bubbly flavor, fruit and flavor, plain flavor, and number of flavors will be flashing, will be coming in our mind, and we will be taking a decision. Today I want to eat fruit and nut flavor, or I want to eat bubbly flavor, or I want to eat silk, or I want to eat it plain, or if some girls will be there or some boys will be there. Babita is what writing apple and then that eating apple. Samuel is there. Ha. So some boys or girls will be there na, they will be selecting caramel flavor or the orange flavor. I don't know who like that flavor, but there are still some people who like that flavor. So basically that is what positioning is. It is the act of designing the company's offering and image to occupy a distinctive. What does it mean by distinctive? It means difference place in the target market's mind. Positioning refers to the place that a brand occupies in the minds of the customers and how it is different from the products of the customers. So if you will choose, there are two kind of chocolates. Just imagine dairy milk is there and Bondville is there. I think some chocolate is there, no, named Bondville, or eclairs you can take, melody you can take. So obviously over and above of all the chocolates categories you are having, you will be definitely going for Cadbury, or 90% of the population, especially from the females, they will be opting for Cadbury only. So this is how Cadbury positioned our mind. In same way, if you want to purchase a new phone, even if we can't purchase the Apple phone right now, we can purchase, but for that we need to sell our kidney. Right, then we will getting the Apple and we will be surviving on the one kidney only for the rest of our life. So whenever you hear the names of these products, you will be getting a flashback. iPhone looks like this, it has this price. You love Bondville, okay. So that this has this different features. If you will talk about Nike, this will be having like very good comfort while we will be running. If we will be running and if we will going to gym, this will be the best product. In the same phone, if we will purchasing any Android phone, then we will be purchasing the smartphone Apple only as compared to others, or at least we will be thinking about that brands while purchasing things from this of the like products. So now I will be going back to this four standard criteria given by Rice and Road. So what does he say? He said if you are positioning in the mind of your customers about your organization, about your products, about your services, these four things will be clear in the minds of your customers or your consumers. What is first? Clarity. The positioning statement must be clear both in terms of target market and differential advantage. Simplicity ensures for a message to be understood, believed, and remembered. Now, if an company is approaching to you and he is not clearly stating to you that how does it differ from your competitors, how better is it providing the product or services from your competitors, then you will be not able to position that product or services in your market. Second is what? Consistency. For example, if an organization given an ad today that we are offering this product and this have some add-on features as compared to other products, so they will be remembering it today, maybe for tomorrow also. But if you the organization just telecasting the ad today and for the next 1 month the organization goes vanish, will even a customer will be able to remember that organization? No. Will we remember to organization that product or that services? No. So if you are trying to position in the mind of your customer, you should be very consistent. Next is was credibility. It is basically related to that customers can trust you. They will be trusting you only if you will be giving them some kind of credibility. Like you have seen that कि आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है, does your toothpaste contain the salt? So on what basis they are saying this? They have some researches that the salt is also good for your teeth. So then you will be trusting on that. First what you will be doing, you will be searching it on Google, that is actually salt will be beneficial for our tooths or our gums. If yes, if you will find it creditable, if you will find it trustable, then only you will be buying it or you will be remembering it. And what is next? Competitiveness. Basically last one, why you should purchase our product and not our competitors. This reason should be there in your positioning statement. Again, you can take the example of Colgate, like other toothpaste does not contain salt and our Colgate does contain salt. So you should buy our product because it does contain salt. So we are having a competitive advantage over the other toothpaste. The differential advantage offered by your company must offer something of superior value than any other option on the market provide the competitors. I think now it is clear to you. Any doubts still here? You can ask me right now. I will be clearing it. Any? Babita, are you there? Or like you are taking two short minutes naps in between of the class? Like who will get to know? Just let me sleep a little, then I will be coming back. Colgate, Dabur, Red. Yeah, exactly. That only. So everything is clear till now. We are having one last question. We will be solving it and we will be then ending our session. No doubt. Okay, this is the last question, Babita, of today's session. A channel structure in which producers, wholesalers, and retailers act as a unified system. One channel member owns the other, has contracts with them, or has so much power that they all cooperate. The above description pertains to which of the following concepts? No, I'm there. You are okay, you are not sleeping. Got it, got it. So, what should be the answer for this? What do you think? This is the definition of what? Conventional distribution channel, vertical marketing system, franchise system, or horizontal marketing system? Just quick answers. Fast, fast. Any guesses, Babita? Conventional will be the not the answer. I will be telling you it only. Okay. So just not go for A, because conventional is basically what is our traditional distribution channel. B, very good. It is what? Vertical marketing system. It is the definition of vertical marketing system. So here it is, a distribution channel structure in which producer, wholesalers, and retailer act as a unified system. They all come together and make a team and work together. One channel member owns the others, has contacts with them, or has so much power that they all cooperate. Okay. And what happens in conventional distribution channels? A channel consisting of one or more independent producer, wholesalers, and retailers, each a separate business seeking to maximize its own profit. They are just working for their own profits, perhaps even at the expense of profits for the system as a whole. Even if the whole system of that product or services will be getting disrupted, they do not care. They just want what? Profit. And uh, apart from that, what vertical marketing system does? They act as a one. They act as a unified system. Okay, I will be showing you this example and it will be getting clear in your mind. See, in conventional, producer will be there, then wholesaler, then retailer, and then consumers. But in vertical, producer, wholesaler, and retailer all are together, and they all, as a team, as a unified system, will be reaching the consumer. Okay, in conventional, what? Manufacturer sells to wholesaler, and then who then sell to retailer, and then who then sell to consumers. And in vertical, what? Channel members are working together as a strategic partner to distribute product to consumers. They will be having the partnerships, they will be having the parts in the profits also, in the works also, in the decision making power also, in all the things they will be working together. Now, this this one is a horizontal marketing system. Like, company A is there and company B is there. Company A is having what? Expertise. Company B is having what? Technology know-how. They are having the best technology. Company A is having the expertise that how to produce this product superior as compared to our competitors. If they both will be working together, they will be getting what? Economies of scale, means they will be having the less cost of their production. While they will be producing, they will be having the less cost for that one. Here we will be producer, wholesale, retailer, consumer. Yes, Babita, very good. So what is horizontal marketing system? It's a distribution channel arrangement between two or more organizations, institutions, or companies on the same level. Okay, on the same level. That's why it is called what? Horizontal, but unrelated market, to join and get the benefits of each other expertise and economies of scale. They will be not they will not be in the same market. They will be having different markets. They will be dealing in different products and services, but they will be using each other's resources to gain more and more. One example I have put here. Here it is. there was one instant where what Apple company did, the Apple company did the partnership with the Starbucks. Okay, Babita? Getting it? If you have any doubt, just ask me now. I will be explaining it to you. So what Apple did, he partnership with whom? Starbucks. So what Apple did now, he allowed the Starbucks users, Wi-Fi users, to download songs from the iTunes store when they launch iTunes. Basically, if you want to download the iTunes now, you should have the iPhone only. Otherwise, you will be not able to download the iTunes of iPhone. So he partnered with the Starbucks and he allowed the users of Starbucks that they can use the iTunes whenever they will be visiting the Starbucks. They will be connecting with the Wi-Fi of Starbucks and they will be able to use the or download the iTunes store tunes from their store. Apple sold over 1 million songs through this partnership within the first 6 days of the launch. So this is the power of horizontal marketing system. Clear, ma'am? Easy concept. Very good, Babita. So this is how it will be working. Okay. Another example is what merger between Facebook and Instagram. The merger gave Instagram and Facebook a wider audience to market and sell their services. So this is what basically horizontal at the same level, but the company who are dealing in this concept will be from different market, both from the different market. So I hope you got it. And with this, I am ending today's session. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And PDF I will be sharing with you on the Telegram. Okay. And apart from this, one more time I want to tell you about this course that Shiva sir is taking the Lakshya batch for UGC NET June 2024. Do subscribe to our channel and join us on Telegram and download the app Achieversaddaugcnet and you will be getting everything which you want. Either it's for paper 1 or it's for commerce. You can relate totally on search content and you will be getting in, trust me, very authentic content sir will be giving you and it will be beneficial for crack your net examinations for the upcoming net exam. Okay, thank you so much. Nice session. Thank you, Babita, for such a like good listener and a great audience. Okay, so with this I'm ending this session. Good night, Babita, and all the students who are watching it right now or who will be watching it later. We will be meeting again, ma'am. It's okay, it happens. Actually, the Krishna name is universal, na? So people actually got confused. I understand it. It happens with me a lot of time. Okay, bye bye. Good night. Take care, guys.